Welcome back. In today's video, a distracted driver sets off a massive crash you won't believe, a couple of road ragers totally lose it, and a tractor driver, well, let's just say his day took a turn for the worse in a big hurry. But that's not all. We've got bonehead moves, near misses, driving fails, and plenty more moments that'll leave you scratching your head. So strap in, smash that like button, and let's dive straight into the craziness.
I would too. It'd be like, well, it's like in my fatal crash. Everybody's, God damn it, car! Stupid motherfucker! Come from the third lane, clear across in front of me. Slams on the brakes so she can get off. Fucking dumb motherfucker.
What the fuck are you doing?
But after Sarah was murdered, 84 new bills were introduced by legislatures after. So,
Pay attention, asshole!
Now, Sarah's law mandates all child sex offenders in Maryland to serve.
I mean, I wasn't able to give Byron a walk. I just... Okay, I'm driving slow. The dude behind us, because somebody fucking turned.
He just threw shit out of his car. What is wrong with you? Let him pass.
Yeah, I am. Jesus.
He just threw a drink at
Yeah,
him.
I
Like it
saw
wasn't
it.
even empty.
No, it was a full drink.
Thanks for watching and have a great day.